Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my amazing video. I hope that all of you are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also in. Right now, me and my nephew come to make a beautiful conversation in English language, and he also so much interested to make a conversation with me in English language. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine, and I want to ask you some academic question. Which class are you reading?
I did in class 5 in Pratibha Kindergarten.
Oh, it's located on Joynagar as our native market, right?
Yes,
Okay. And what is your roll number?
I am in the first boy in my class.
Oh, that's nice. You are so talented. And you're reading class 5 in Pratibha Kindergarten, and you're the first boy in your class. Okay, that's nice. And I want to ask you that do you love this school?
Yes, I love that school.
Do you love this teacher panel?
Yes,
Okay. The teacher, uh, the teacher care about the all student, right?
yes.
Okay. And what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Black. Nice. Black is so beautiful color, a dark color. And do you like white?
Yes, I like white, but black my favorite color.
Okay. Because of I asked you that you wear a white T-shirt. That's why I asked you. No problem. And what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Then okay. Do you like eat vegetables?
Yes, I like vegetables.
Okay, that's nice. Vegetable is so helpful for our body and mind, and also our vegetables and so helpful for our brain.
Yes,
And which type of vegetables are you like to eat?
I like vegetables is potato.
Potato. Okay, potato is so tasty, and this is available in our local market. Do you love any animal?
Yes, I love animal.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is tiger, but it's so dangerous animal.
Dangerous, yes. A tiger is so dangerous, and I also like tiger and lion, and I also like their attitude. What attitude they when they walk and run? What is the attitude? I also like that. And what is your favorite birds?
My favorite bird is eagle.
Do you like to eat poultry like a chicken?
Yes,
Chicken is so tasty, no?
yes.
Yes. Everyone love this. And Uh, what is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana.
Banana. Okay, banana is so helpful. Banana is so tasty, and there are available lots of vitamins
Yes.
in banana. Mm. I want to know important thing. What is your favorite language?
My favorite language is Bangla.
Oh, Bengali. That's nice. Bengali is our mother tongue. Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Do you learn English regularly?
Yes, I learn English regularly.
Okay, that's nice. That's why you comfortable to talk in English.
Yes,
And you also try to learn increasing your speaking levels, right?
yes.
And and do you like village or city?
I like village.
Village. Why you like village? The city side we find lots of facilities we find. Why you choose village? What is the main reason?
I like village because there are lots of tree and lots of fresh air.
Okay, that's nice. And also, there are no have more pollution. We don't find we find the fresh air in village side and lots of trees. About this, if I say about these trees, the city side we don't find any more trees. That's why we don't find any fresh air. There are air have lots of dust, lots. That's why I also in personally I also love village, and I live in village. That's why I love village, and I every time I try to enjoy the village side. And the natural beauty, if I say the natural beauty of village side, this is so amazing. And this is so nice. And the most of the people, when they find a vacation, they try to come our village, and they try to enjoy the village natural beauty. Okay, it's a nice conversation. And you are good in English, and I also try to learn English. And they also so interested to learn English. Okay, are you enjoy this conversation?
Yes, I am enjoy this conversation.
Are you like to make a conversation in the next time?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Inshallah, in the next time we will try to make a conversation in the different topic. Okay. Thank you so much to see the full video. And if you enjoy this video, and please hit on the like button and drop a comment in this comment box, and follow us on Facebook and subscribe uh, in our YouTube channel. Okay. Have a good day. Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.